Have you ever wondered how to manage your finances effectively? Today, we're exploring the wonderful world of budgeting. Imagine a world where your money works for you, not against you. A world where every dollar has a purpose. This isn't some distant utopia. It's entirely possible, and it all starts with creating a budget. The first step on this financial journey is to understand what a budget is. Simply put, a budget is a plan for your money. It's a tool that helps you control your finances, allowing you to track your income and expenses, and ultimately achieve your financial goals. So, where to begin? The internet is bursting with resources to help you on your way. For instance, the Alev Home blog offers a comprehensive budget template. This includes everything from product or service values to customer data to seller identification and much more. It even provides a complete description of the products or services being sold or provided, and various ways to contact the company. Plus, the site shares insightful tips on how to craft a simple and effective budget template. But maybe you're more of a DIY kind of person. In that case, why not create your own budget template? To Do Excel offers a step-by-step tutorial that guides you through the process of creating an Excel budget template from scratch. You'll learn how to create a new workbook, enter revenue and expenses, add formulas, and compare income with expenses. They also offer free spreadsheet templates for budgeting in Excel. Creating a budget isn't just about tracking where your money is going, it's about giving every dollar a job. It's about understanding your spending habits, identifying areas where you can save, and setting realistic financial goals. It's about taking control of your money rather than letting it control you. Remember, the key to a successful budget is to keep it simple. Start with what you know, your income and expenses. From there, you can start to identify areas where you can cut back, and areas where you might need to allocate more funds. To summarize, creating a budget is a multi-step process that begins with understanding what a budget is and why it's important. From there, you can choose to use a pre-made template or create your own. The most important thing, however, is to stick with it. A budget is only as good as your commitment to it. So, take that first step, create your budget, take control of your finances, and start making your money work for you.